How to delete Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. Moving forward, tap on Account Center. Afterwards, you'll see Manage Accounts at the bottom. They've moved the deactivation and deletion page after the update. In addition to that, tap on Instagram and select the Manage button right beside it. Once there, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Moreover, tap on Delete Account instead of Deactivate, as deactivation is temporary. Afterwards, select a reason for deletion from the drop-down menu. Then, tap Continue and enter your password to confirm. Within the confirmation screen, tap Delete Account to permanently remove it. And that's it. If this deletion guide helped you remove your Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.